Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, boosting your confidence with success affirmations. If you're ready to take your self-love and confidence to the next level, then stick around. First off, let's talk about affirmations. These are powerful phrases you repeat to yourself, often out loud, to shift your mindset and embed positive beliefs in your subconscious. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Affirmations can be life-altering. One of my favorite success affirmations is, I am capable, I am worthy, and I achieve my goals. Say it with me, I am capable, I am worthy, and I achieve my goals. Feel that? That's the power of positive energy flowing through you. Let me share a quick story. A few years back, I struggled with self-doubt and fear of failure. But then I discovered affirmations. Every morning, I stood in front of the mirror and repeated my success affirmations. At first, it felt awkward, even silly. But as days turned into weeks, something incredible happened. I started believing in myself more and saw real changes in my life. Science backs this up too. Research shows that affirmations can rewire your brain, making you more resilient, optimistic, and open to opportunities. It's not just woo-woo stuff. It's neuroscience. So how can you start? Easy. Pick a few affirmations that resonate with you. Here are a few to get you started. I am confident in my abilities and decisions. I am attracting success and abundance into my life. I deserve to be happy and successful. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in front of a mirror. Say them with conviction, like you mean it. Make it a part of your morning or bedtime routine. And here's a pro tip. Write your affirmations down. Carry them with you on a piece of paper or in your phone's notes app. Whenever you feel doubt creeping in, take a moment to read them and remind yourself of your worth and potential. Remember, consistency is key. It might feel strange at first, but stick with it. You'll be amazed at the transformation that unfolds. So are you ready to boost your confidence and step into your power? I believe in you, and you should too. Until next time, stay positive, keep affirming, and watch your success unfold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a confidence boost.